Discover the ultimate guide to Apple HomeKit-Compatible Smart Devices. Apple HomeKit is a secure, user-friendly ecosystem for managing smart home devices via the Apple Home app and Siri. It supports 816 devices, offering extensive options for lighting, climate, security, and entertainment, all accessible through a single interface, enhancing home connectivity. Works with denotes any device compatible with HomeKit that is controllable via the HomeKit Hub, app, or Siri. Compatible refers to devices managed by the Apple HomeKit app, or Siri. These definitions clarify integration levels for users adding devices to their ecosystem. HomeKit integration extends beyond lighting and security to environmental devices, including Sensibo Sky and AirPro for air conditioners, and Dyson Cool Purifying Fan for air purifiers. These devices, controlled via Siri or the Home app, ensure optimal indoor climate settings. Automated window treatments enhance ambiance and energy efficiency. HomeKit-compatible options include SwitchBot curtains, Rise Smart Shade, Hunter Douglas PowerView Gen 3, SmartWings motorized roller, Zebra shades, and Lutron Serena. These allow for remote scheduling and adjustments, optimizing light and temperature. Bridges or hubs are essential for managing a diverse array of HomeKit-compatible devices. Examples include Aqara camera hubs, the Aqara Smart Hub M3, and Homey Pro. These devices act as central controllers, enabling seamless communication between your smart gadgets and the Apple Home app, which simplifies the management of your smart home ecosystem. HomeKit-compatible cameras ensure top-tier security with leading indoor options like Aqara and Ecobee smart cameras and outdoor choices like Arlo and Abode. Models such as the Arlo Ultra and Logitech Circle deliver robust monitoring solutions.
Go to GearBrain for more information.